Ayan, ni-receive na ni Pastor Larry yung mga binigay niyo, yung mga tulong niyo. Thank you so much, brother and sister in Australia. Ito po, bumili kami ng kaunting Milo and coffee for them.
Yes,
And,
at saka banana Q.
meron na rin siyang plastic bags para gagamitin nila, Pastor, pagre-repack. Thank you so much. God bless you, brothers and sisters. Ito ang aming mabutihing mga... Thank you so much. God bless you. God bless you. DGMM, thank you so much. May the Lord bless you. Long life, healthy health. We hope to see you soon. We love you. We love you. Yes.
Thank you po. God bless you po. May the Lord bless you and the Lord bless your heart. And we pray that we will have a continuous partnership.
Yes.
Hopefully, not only during the time na may storm tayo or typhoon or calamity, even in doing our outreach sa mga depressed area natin dito sa Parañaque. Maraming salamat po. God bless you. From GMCF po, God's Flock
Pastor,
Christian
may
Fellowship.
natira.
Ay, ito pa po, may tira po.
Bahala ka na dyan.
Opo, salamat po. God bless.
Thank you so much. God bless you too, Pastor Larry. Thank you so much.
Po.